I cannot wait to show you this next gift. Now this is a miniature gyro remote controlled helicopter, and you can see how beautiful it is. Now, the great thing about this, the gyro inside gives you that precise movement that you can see, the really easy turning movement. You can also go forward and back, and you can do some amazing stunts. The beauty is that it's great to control, very easy to control for beginners. So if you're someone that's never used anything like this, you can still have great fun and keep it precise movement. It plugs into the USB on your computer, so it's very easy to charge. Now you've also got extra blades that come in the pack, and this is how it comes packaged, so that if you do have a little accident, you've got the extra blades to put on there. But I have to say, the blades are very soft, and it is really robust when it comes to bashing into things or anything like that. So you don't have to worry too much when it comes to the safety of the product. Now it's great for 14 plus, that's the age group that it goes up from. Lovely LED lights, you can see all the colours flashing on the side. So not only is it great fun to play with, it also looks great as well. Don't delay, get this right now. What a great Christmas gift. Come here, you.